On January 22nd, MCPS hosted evening workshops for parents to share important information on the recent updates to their child's elementary school report card. Held at the Carver Educational Services Center in Rockville, the workshops were presented in 6 languages: Spanish, Korean, Vietnamese, Chinese, French, and Amharic.
This year, our elementary school's report card has been changed significantly, and many parents always been asked during the Korean Parents Workshop, saying that how do we know what they are learning?
The report card is often the beginning of the conversation between a school and a parent when they have concerns or when the students are doing well. And so we really need to make sure that all parents, including parents who are speakers of other languages, have that access.
No se registra ninguna calificación.
I come here today because for learn about the report card, and I learned a lot today. Yeah. This is my first time here, and it's good. It's necessary to come here.
This school year, MCPS updated elementary school report cards in order to give parents a more precise assessment of the progress that their child is making.
We want to define what the report card is, not only in terms of the whole report card, but in terms of the different symbols that will appear in the report card. The parents have to be aware to know whether their child is progressing appropriately, whether they need more help, whether they're advanced, whether they are accelerated, whether they receive enrichment for their class.
I wish that parents can learn how to read the report card so that parents can be encouraging the strength as well as needed area to support.